Good evening and welcome to Ostende here in Belgium. It is dark, it is cold, but me and Tristan are going to have a walk along the seafront. Not that you'll see any sea, but what you will see is not the sea, but the seafront. See? Yeah. Echo. Echo. Boom. That's awesome. Back out into the light. That's better. And less echo. Anywho, promenade. That was the word I was trying to get out before. Promenade. We're having a walk down the promenade. Now during the warmer summer months, this promenade is absolutely buzzing. There's people riding bikes and pedal cars, people playing with footballs, and all these bars and restaurants are normally absolutely jam-packed with music and people and yeah, all that good stuff. But this time of year, it's pretty much dead. So we've basically walked up to the top of the promenade and we've decided to walk back down via the road that it sort of runs parallel to the promenade. So sorry this is just a little short video, but it is the winter and there isn't much going on because there isn't a lot open. But yeah, here we go. If ever you're in Belgium and the shops are closed, like the normal supermarkets, and you fancy a drink or some snacks or something like that, get yourself out for a walk and have a look for flashing lights like this. And it's called a Nachtwinkel. So it is a night seller. And you'll be able to get your snacks and drinks and pop and all that sort of stuff from one of them. Does anybody have a blanket that this lady can borrow? Because it's a little bit cold to be dressed like that. And just like that, we are back home at our hotel. Back home at our hotel. You know what I mean, you know, I'm home away from home. Anywho, sorry for the short video. I've just been working so hard the last couple of days. It hasn't been the best trip for buying, so I've had to spend as much time as I can during the day trying to buy some stuff. But here we go. We've had a walk. I've shown you the promenade at Ostende, and we've had a walk back down on the parallel street. So the only thing left to say is see you all tomorrow for the drive home, and now it's time to do your job.